Today we are driving from Riga to Tallinn and I am super excited to show you these incredible landscapes on the way. So let's do it. The journey from capital city of Latvia to capital city of Estonia takes about 4 hours by road. But I cannot believe even this short period of time could be that much fulfilling.
Don't believe me, just watch. You like 4, 3, 2, I'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do.
The highway road is along the sea coast and the woods. That's why it has such a stunning view. We didn't have enough time to stop by on every beautiful spot, but this one, oh my god, I felt like it was meant for me. The second I saw this beauty, it was like a love at first sight. As if she was smiling back at me and my heart was pumping and feeling bright. Well, the time was not in my favor, but I lived a lifetime in that sight. So afraid to say farewell and had to glimpse one last time, but it was goodbye at the end, never to see her again. So I have captured her beauty in the frame so that I would remember her again and again. Like this drive between two capital cities, our life itself is a journey. But that journey might not be this smooth and pleasant every time. It's a combination of lessons, hardships, heartaches, joys, celebrations, and special moments that will ultimately lead us to our destination, our purpose in life. We have finally arrived here in Tallinn and it's already dark.
Come here, I'm gonna show you around. We on the spot, Airbnb. Tallinn. That's your house now.
The secret of enjoying life is finding happiness in our journey, rather than just focusing about reaching the destination, whether it's about life or it's about travel. So we are in Tallinn. According to map, I see the old town is the hot spot. I'm not sure how much we can see. We will figure it out and I'm gonna show you everything as much as possible in upcoming episode. Therefore, enjoy the journey because at the end of the day, you're gonna reach your destination if you are determined enough. But this moment might never come back again. Until the next one, keep traveling. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Well, hang on a second. I will wait for you while you subscribe. I am waiting. Subscribe. Did you subscribe? It's free anyway, who cares? Just do it. And turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any upcoming episodes in the future. That's it. I'm done. I will see you in next episode.